The Nokia XR21, which is expected to be the successor of the Nokia XR20, has been leaked along with its top features and specs. In this video, we will explore these features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. So these are the top specs and features of the Nokia XR21. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the upcoming rugged phone from Nokia, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.